uSilva no-Ethan Cheslett balimele laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Anginasho ngovele bayi, but I think naye ulimele. Yabona-ke lama-injuries ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ayanda bafowethu, so ingakho badinga ama-players amaningi, babhife up isquad serious. And mina what I don't understand, okay, before simove, uSilva uyi-striker ese-good kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Siyazi ukuthi uSilva uyinkomo, but uyinkomo ekwaziyo ukukora. Uwumuntu o-create i-element of danger e-serious laphana. So imagine if uSilva uthole lama-opportunities lawa uNgcobo abawatholile, ngabe sikhuluma esinye istory namhlanje, because uSilva laphana eboxini bafowethu, hayi, ya umshini o-serious. So ukungabi khona kwaSilva ku-hold back i-Kaizer Chiefs. uDuba siyazi ukuthi uyi-player eliba nama-moments, especially mengena laphana second half, uyakwazi ukulwa, uyakwazi ukuzithola kuma-position agood, but isikhathi esiningi meqala ama-game laphana uDuba akenze kahle. U-Ethan Cheslett i-first game simbonile bafowethu bemkhahlela, so I think i-injury yakhe ibuya lapho-ke, ukuthinteka nje kwakhe. NoSilva khona la bekangekho right khona, but kuSilva abanye bathi ulimale laphana ejimini few days before, but I think mina le injury le ibuya ku-first game, because mina first game khona la engibone khona ukuthi no, akekho right lana uDa Silva. But isithemba ukuthi lama-player lawa angekho laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs are-injured bafowethu azobuya maduzane, because ngeke kube nama-players close to 10 bafowethu are-injured masithi siyawabala nje one by one. Kunabo Thulani Touch Mabaso, oMayo, oShinga, oMako, and then plus-ke nama-player manje 100% fit, but-ke selimele. Kunodoti labangakabuyi nokubuya bafowethu. And maningi ama-department ekumele bawalungise laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngibone khona ethi ngingasasho ukuthi uDodo we-channel, but ngoba niyababukela labo bantu labo, njalo bahlezi bathi i-Kaizer Chiefs ifuna ama-play, i-Kaizer Chiefs idinga this play, i-Kaizer Chiefs idinga this play. I-Kaizer Chiefs ine-strike ezi-enough. Noma ungaletha, yabona, even if i-Kaizer Chiefs ithenga uMabasa, ne, bengeke abe yi-success ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because ibhola akalitholi, ngeke bamfide ibhola. As i-striker kumele bakufide. Uyabona, that is why ngithi uSilva ugood, because uSilva akatholi ibhola kaningi laphana eboxini, but mnika kayi-3 eboxini uzobona something, uzobona i-movement, uzobona ezama ukushaya, whether bayaliblock or benzani, but khona into ayenzayo uSilva. So and isikhathi esiningi akawathola amabhola eboxini. So if uzothola i-striker esisha, noma kuthiwa i-striker esi-good, but mesingawathola amabhola i-striker, because I don't know man, uma ubabheka laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs khona into off i-play yabo, because ama-players abakwazi ukucombine nje simple. Omunye mephethe ibhola ule, omunye ule, kumele bashaya ama-pass amade ukuthi batholane laphana, abadlali as a collective, like as a team, ubone ukuthi okay, bayi-unity labantu laba. You look at ama-wingers we-Kaizer Chiefs, ule ekugcineni close to i-touchline umuntu, nomunye ule ekugcineni close to i-touchline. Abakwazi ukuthi okay, sesiliphethe ibhola, bakwazi ukudropa, kube lula ukuthi bakwazi ukushare amabhola. But-ke sengivala ama-injuries esho ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ayababulala serious, because you have to switch, noma ngithi to change i-squad each and every week. That's not okay. Ukuchange njalo wena uyashintsha i-squad, uthatha lo ufaka lo, ngathi uyezwa u-Ethan Cheslett nobani bani kulimala omunye. So I think into ebaphazamisa kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but sithemba ukuthi amajita awalimalanga kakhulu, sokwazi ukuwabona maduzane. Ngicela ukuzibamba lana okwamanje, ngithi danko. Cela bafethu ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi i-page liyakhula. This is Nkuli Soccer.